what is your hobby?
So I want to be an compliance officer, like where I'll identify all the money related.
Tell me one thing. Do you face this type of issue? Like you really want to speak in English fluently, but you don't feel confident in English. You feel hesitation, you feel fumble while speaking English. You have a lots of ideas in your mind, but you are not capable to express those ideas in English. Why it is happening with you? So the biggest reason behind this problem is lack of practice. Yes, you heard right, lack of practice. The more a person is speaking English, so the better he become fluent in English. But because of this reason, lack of practice, they are not able to express their ideas in English. Don't worry friends, I have a solution for your problem. In this video, I am going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application, you can easily do practice in English. And your problem, like ma'am, I have not an environment of English, will go away. Believe me. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. You need to just go to the Play Store and write CB. Download this application, CB application. Actually, I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So now I'm going to just open this application. You can see the logo of this application. If you want to use AI version, then you need to give money. Okay, but don't do that. I mean, what is your motto? Your motto is to practice in English. So yes, start this practice with your co-learners. Okay, this is free and cost. Practice with co-learners. Connect with random co-learner for you. It is finding random co-learner for me. You can see. Hello.
Hi Rita,
Hi, how are you and what's your name?
my name is Dhanush.
Actually, I don't heard. What's your name?
My name is Dhanush.
Dhanush.
Yes,
Okay, Dhanush. So, are you a student?
I didn't get you.
Hmm?
I didn't get you. What did you say?
Okay, what did I say? Actually, I said, are you a student?
No, I am a working professional. I am working as an anti-money laundering specialist.
Okay. So, you are a working professional.
Yeah.
Actually, okay, I didn't heard. In which category?
So it's a finance category.
It's a finance category. Okay. So, in current time, you are in your office.
Yeah, currently I am doing work from home.
Okay, you are doing work from home. Okay. So, that's
Yeah.
great. Hello.
Yeah, what do you do?
What do I do? Actually, I am a teacher.
Okay.
Hmm.
Which subject do you teach?
Which subject? Actually, I am a basic teacher. So, yes, I have to teach all the subject. But class 6 to 8, I teach only English subject. But class 1st to 5th, I teach all the subject that is needed.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Uttar Pradesh. And where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad, Telangana.
Hyderabad, Telangana. That's great. So, I think Telangana capital is Hydra. Okay, huh? Yeah, Telangana capital. And Andhra Pradesh capital is Amravati, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are a working professional. So what do you think in future? What do you want to do in your? What is your hobby?
So I want to be an compliance officer, like where I'll identify all the money related transactions who are doing illegal transfers.
Illegal
Like,
transport.
have you heard about Swiss Bank?
Swiss Bank. Yes, I heard.
Yeah, I work there.
Okay, you work there.
Yes.
Okay, Swiss Bank. Do
Yeah,
you?
I want to be in an highest position, like a compliance officer, where I give approvals to like
Okay.
upload is yeah.
So currently, what is your designation?
So I told you that I'm an anti-money laundering specialist.
Okay. And you want to become higher, designation. You want to achieve higher designation in this field.
Yeah, I want to become a compliance officer.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great. That's great. So, how about you? Tell me something about your family.
So I live away from my family. My family is staying. near Tirupati,
Okay, so your family is staying in Tirupati and you are in Telangana,
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yes.
Sorry, Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana.
Yes.
Okay, and your family is staying in Tirupati.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay.
So
And
tell me about your family. How old are you? What are your goals?
okay.
What are hobbies?
Actually, I am in my middle age and I am a teacher. I achieved all the thing that I wanted in my life, and still I am learning this language because this is my childhood desire to speak in English, and I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium school, and but all my friends were going convent school, and whenever we talked, so they used to talk some English words or sentences, so I felt very inferiority complex at that time. But when I got my job, so I started learning this language when I get so many resources like this. This is the same platform and other platform I'm using for improving my English skill because currently I am teaching all the students who come from very poor families. They are not too much yeah, they have not too much resources for learning this language, so I thought why not learn this language, and as well as my students can easily learn this language. So yeah, there are some goal, and yeah, that's all about me, about my goal.
Help poor children, like it's a very, most of the people they do not come forward like to help poor students who are like
Uh,
it's
but I
migrate.
think, yeah, I know it's a different opinion, but it's my opinion. I want to do something. I want to, make others people happy by teaching because this is my profession, and as well as reading, writing. This is my, matlab, these are my hobbies. So I thought, why not do this thing? And I feel very happy when I do, when I make other people, you know, teach or make them happy.
Oh, nice. So how long have you been in your profession? Are you enjoying it
How long have okay? Actually, I have been teaching students for 10 years.
for 10 years?
Yeah, for 10 years.
Can you
Actually,
tell
I'm a
me?
government teacher, and yeah, the place where I teach student, my school is situated in a rural areas, where all the families belongs in a rural, poor families, I mean to say.
Okay, got it. No problem. Even I'm also from the same background. Like even parents
Yeah,
used to teach
I
from.
can say yes. Not same background, but I was little bit good because my father was a steno in a government employee. My father was a government employee, so yes, we are four siblings, so I can say I am little bit good. But yes, there was a desire for speaking in English, so I thought why not fulfill my desire, why not fulfill other students desire, because they are the same condition that I was facing in my childhood time.
Nice. Like you have improved your English a lot.
I don't know improve, but you can say how is my English.
It's good.
Okay,
I think it's better than me.
okay. Thank you so much. But I'm trying to learn this language. I'm a learner at that time.
No problem.
Mm.
And then had your lunch.
Yeah, it's lunch time. So yes, have your lunch. Now I'm going to cut this conversation, and it was nice conversation with you.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
bye,
Bye.
bye. Okay, after completing your conversation, you just need to give your feedback and it will give your feedback. Okay, and yes, there is a thing, continue learning. When I touch this continue learning, okay, your nice progress in your English speaking practice, keep going. Here is your reward, 38 coins. Yes, you can achieve some rewards like a coins, but it's not true. It is your I mean to say level. It will show your level, and if you do this if you do practice with this application every day consistently, so yes, you will get more coins, more point like this. It's not a coins, it's a point. Okay, and you feel okay ma'am, I want to do conversation with other, I because my level is upgrade. So yes, when you achieve this type of coins, so it will automatically connect with co-learners that is in your level. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so, so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and don't forget to like, subscribe this channel. Okay, I will meet you, I will see you next video. Till then, just Ram.